Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your iPad runs iPadOS 13 or later and supports external storage. That ensures native files integration. Next, connect the Samsung Ssd T7 with a USB-C to USB-C cable or a powered adapter if your iPad uses Lightning. This prevents power issues. Once connected, unlock your iPad and open the Files app so you can see the drive under Locations. If the drive doesn't appear, disconnect and try a different cable or adapter to rule out simple hardware faults. You now browse the T7 inside files to verify folder structure and preview files. Files supports many types so you can check before moving. To transfer, long press a file or tap select to choose multiple items, then drag and drop into the T7 or use the move/copy commands. This preserves timestamps. For large transfers, keep the iPad awake and ensure the SSD has roughly 20% free space. This maintains speed and prevents fragmentation. If speed lags, try a shorter, high-quality. You finish by closing any open files and using the eject icon next to the T7 in Files before disconnecting to avoid corruption. If the iPad fails to recognize the SSD, connect the T7 to a Mac or PC. Confirm it mounts and run Samsung Magician or Disk Utility to check health. Once done, reconnect the proper cable or use a powered hub. If the iPad cannot read the drive's format, back up data and reformat the T7 to exFAT on a computer. Then reconnect and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.